In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect custom domain to Lovable. First, open your browser and head to your Lovable dashboard. This is your home base where you can see everything you're building. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the home view. From here, look for the option labeled All Projects. Click that to see a full list of the projects in your workspace. Next, choose the specific project you want to connect to your custom domain. If you manage multiple projects, double-check you're opening the right one, especially if you have similar names. Once you're inside the project, look over to the left-hand side for the project name and the navigation menu. Click on Settings to open the configuration area for this project. Inside Settings, find and open the Domains section. This is where all domain-related actions happen, including adding an existing domain you own or purchasing a new one directly through Lovable. You'll see clear options for both paths. If you already own a domain with a third-party registrar, click Add Existing Domain. Lovable will provide the exact target values and instructions you'll need to point your DNS records correctly. Typically, this involves creating a CNAME for a subdomain like do, or using the appropriate record type for your root domain, depending on your DNS provider's capabilities. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take time to propagate. It's normal for changes to take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to reflect. While you wait, avoid repeatedly making changes and give the system time to verify. Once propagation completes, Lovable will automatically provision an SSL certificate so your site works securely over HTTPS. If you don't yet own a domain, or you prefer a one-stop setup, click Purchase New Domain. Through this flow, you can search for an available name, complete the purchase, and let Lovable handle the technical wiring behind the scenes. This route can simplify setup because the platform manages the configuration for you. Be sure to review pricing and renewal details before confirming the purchase so there are no surprises later. After you've chosen the approach that fits you, adding an existing domain or purchasing a new one, return to the Domains section to confirm that the domain shows up as connected and secured. If you're using an existing domain, allow time for DNS to finish updating before expecting everything to read as verified. When it's all green, you're done. That's the full process from the dashboard to a connected domain in Lovable. Follow these steps, give DNS a little time if needed, and your site will be live on your own custom address.